Home workout number 4, high-intensity interval training. Subscribe now, share, and like. You don't have to head to the gym to do high-intensity interval training. You can do a complete routine right in your own home. HIIT is just following a specific regimen where you vary your speeds and intensity throughout a shorter run, swim, bike, or row. Unless you have a giant backyard, running at home might be tough. But you know what doesn't require a lot of room? Burpees. Be sure to like this video so I know the content I provide you provides value. To complete a burpee, start standing up, then squat down and kick your legs out. Do a push-up, bring your legs back in, and explode up into a jump. For a HIIT workout, try to do 20 repetitions, then rest for 2 minutes. Repeat. Check out the full guide on how to lose weight without endangering your body. Click link in description for more info. Subscribe now.